Hi everyone. In today's meditation video, I was inspired by a healthcare worker that I saw in a video yesterday. Needless to say, we are in a very challenging time right now, and this healthcare worker just came out on her break and was sobbing into her video about how overwhelmed she was in watching people die alone, and how that they were struggling. And so it inspired me to share with you something that I like to do, certainly at least twice a year. And I kind of like to call it cleaning house. And by that, I mean cleaning house mentally, emotionally, spiritually. We want to clean house. One of the things she said that I thought was just so spot on is don't cause stress for any people in your life. Don't add stress to people's lives. And if there's anybody that you need to forgive, do it now. If there's anyone that you need to ask forgiveness from, maybe you want to do that now. Whatever it is, clean it out. And so in today's meditation, I'm going to invite you to enjoy the ability of working on this right where you are in your own meditation. So let's close our eyes and remember that meditation is single-pointed focus. Let's keep it simple and take this time to clean our house. And we begin by softening all of the muscles in our body. Breathing in. And on the exhale, dropping your shoulders, allowing your arms and hands to soften. Softening your neck, your jaw, and your mouth. Each breath coming deeper and deeper into meditation. I'm going to invite you today to just imagine that you're walking on a path in the countryside. And you come upon a garden that looks like it was once beautiful, but now there's just weeds. And as you look at this garden, one weed will attract your attention. And as you continue to look, that weed will turn into someone that you've hurt, unintentionally or intentionally. Take a nice deep breath in, breathing in warmth and good feelings. Exhale and look into their eyes. Sense their confusion. Look even deeper. And take a moment and ask that they forgive you. Don't question who this person is. Just trust who's shown up. And take this opportunity to clear the energy between the two of you. Take another nice deep breath in. And on the exhale, allow the love and light from your heart to stream over to them. Gently lifting any sadness out of their body. See the light returning to their eyes. And feel your breath, each breath lifting and dissolving any difficulties between the two of you. It is our intention that is the foundation of everything. Extend peace to this person. Peace between you and me. And I'm going to invite you to continue this after I close the video, trusting and allowing anyone who shows up in your mind's eye that you may want to clear any past difficulties between you. Let them know that you're sorry, or let them know that you forgive them, and allow the breath coming through your heart to dissolve any of these past difficulties between you, and close with each individual, peace between me and you.